we're in the park and I'm going to find out if I still know how to climb a tree. It's been a few years. Okay. Shh. So far so good. Yara, be careful. I don't recommend you come this way actually. I don't know, but I recommend you don't come this way. Oh dear. Okay. Might be stuck already. This is... Yeah. Wow. This is not as easy as I thought it would be. How are you doing back there? Don't even want to look down. Okay. Okay. Yara, careful. Don't know. Actually. If I can grab that, I can get... Okay, here we go. And a bit further up. Okay. You okay? Yara, you should try the other side. That's safer. This is not safe for you. Okay. Oh, I've made it this far. You see me? Okay. All right. I'm gonna edge my way along. Okay. You know what? When I was young, I would have done this without thinking, but when you get older, our fear tends to kick in. Okay. Yeah. All right, we're okay, we're okay. We're okay. We're okay. If I hold on to this, okay, should be all right. Should be okay, as long as we don't discover a bee's nest or something. We should be all right. Okay. I think we've made it to a place where I can safely approach the main bit of the tree. Here we are. Don't even know if I'm still on camera. Yara is trying to make her way along the other side. And we got to here. Okay. We're doing all right. Can I make it down this gap? And my problem is I don't have much to grab on my left side. Let's have a look at the other side of the tree. Nothing much. Okay. Have I bitten off more than I can chew? Maybe. Dear. I don't know. Oh dear. Am I stuck? I want to try. Do you think I can slide down to there? Why not? Do you think I can? I know, but okay. Let's think about this. And just through here.
My turn.
We made it.
Now I need to record.
No.
What?
No, we don't have time. We have to.
Okay.
I know, but you stop recording.
Alright, tough enough.
Stop recording.
It's off.
If you don't, it's not. Get it out! I'm deleting the home.
I'm not as young as I used to be. There's the battle scar, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Obviously, I wouldn't encourage anyone to climb any trees that they're not capable of climbing. But when you take a little risk, when you risk a little graze to the arm, it does make you feel a little bit more alive. It was a little bit exhilarating in that moment when I had to make that step, take that risk, knowing that I might land on my head. It makes you feel alive. We can't run away from danger our whole time. We can't keep our distance from the reality, which is that even stepping outside the door is to take a risk.